Revolutionary, patent-pending design, QuickFit and SimpleWire technologies offer groundbreaking home automation features. Unique advancements make the smart controls easier to install and more reliable than ever. QuickFit. Improved components reduced the housing depth by up to 20% compared to previous Z-Wave models and eliminated the need for heat tabs. QuickFit enhancements are the ideal smart solution for older-style switchboxes, multi-gang configurations or any other application with limited space. SimpleWire. Auto-detecting line or load terminals support fast installation by identifying line and load wires and configuring the switch accordingly. Dual ground ports, which are offset to avoid switchbox mounting screws, support daisy chaining in multi-switch setups. Voice control. Enjoy the convenience of voice control with Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa when connected through a compatible Z-Wave hub. Switch upgrade. Easily replace any standard in-wall switch equipped with a neutral wire to remotely turn on, off and create schedules for a wide range of fixtures. Changeable paddles. The switch features a removable white rocker-style paddle. Black, brown, ivory and light almond options are also available. Multi-switch compatible. The smart device operates perfectly on its own or seamlessly integrates into multi-switch setups when paired with compatible add-on switches from UltraPro, GE, Jasco, and Brighton and Honeywell. Up to 4 add-on switches can be connected to the same light, fan or appliance. Range extender. The in-wall Z-Wave switch repeats the signal from your hub or other Z-Wave device to extend wireless range by up to 150 feet. Top reviews from the United States. The UltraPro Z-Wave switches are made by Jasco, who also supply to GE under Brighton brand. The switches require screwing in the wires into the back of the unit, so no wire nuts needed. Also, they allow you to swap the line, load wires so it doesn't matter which way you wire it, which makes it easier to install. The switches are also UL listed, which provides a little reassurance for safety. Overall, thought the switches looked good, were easy to install, appeared to be good quality, and were not exorbitantly priced relative to other smart switches in the market.